What a flat day it really has been. Let's pull up the Nifty. Look at the chart. It's all over the place. Red, green, red, green, red, green. And all in a tight, narrow band. Extremely choppy. And finally, we've got a red blink again. 1 point on the lower side. Let's talk about individual stocks. The lower end was being brought up by names like BEL, ONGC. These are stocks on the way down. Tech Mahindra was down about 2% as well. HCL Tech down 1%. Infosys down 1%. So it seems there's some nerves as the IT earnings season kicks off this week. Aside of this, Maruti, Suzuki, there's UltraTech Cement, which has lost over 1%. Hero Motors, some of these auto stocks were doing pretty well last week, but they've cooled off today. Financials didn't really help the index. ICICI Bank, for instance, 0.5% lower. Let's look at HDFC Bank, slightly lower on HDFC Bank as well. And SBI was also down about 0.6%. What was up, however? Consumer, and more consumer. Lever, 3%. Tata Consumer, 1.5%. Nestle, over 1%. Asian Paints, long list actually. Eicher Motors actually did well as well. It was bucking the overall weak trend. And then, of course, there's Reliance. The reason why the Nifty did not fall too much is because of the big giants like Lever, ITC and Reliance, all adding up on the green side today.
Well, the Midcap index ends with a cut of about 1/3 of a percentage point. Negative advance decline ratio. Some of the big movers. Defense on the way down. So Paris Defense loses 5%. Bharat Dynamics 2% gone. In terms of the Q1 update, Jubilant Foodworks, anyway an expensive stock with trading at about 70 times forward multiple. Stock was down nearly 4%. But other FMCG names, whether it's Godrej Consumer, 6.5%, Dabur higher in trade. Senco 2 locked in an upper circuit, 4%. Only buyers on that. Senco 2 had a pretty good session.
Well, lots of stuff to report on the broader market, but as far as indices go, nothing very much. Small cap index, by the way, out of the 4 indices, was the biggest loser with a 0.5% cut. Nifty ends almost unchanged. Bank Nifty, not very much by way of change as well. So wrap on this edition, a closing bell from all of us here. Goodbye, but markets forward will pick up on all the action in just a bit.